Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Allure Beauty Box for the month of March. And if you want to know what I got inside this month, then please keep on watching. If you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming back each time I upload a video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Arlene. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the family. If you didn't hear from my previous video, I am going to be giving a giveaway in each video until March 21st. So about a week worth of giving. So each time I upload a video, I will give something away. It may be something that you see in the video, or it may be something else. It'll be a small giveaway. The giveaway will be a random hidden giveaway. So what I will do is, after this video uploads and runs for about 2 days, I will come back to the comments and I will just select someone randomly and just ask them to send me their information, and then I will then send them the items. Be very careful though, because there will be probably some spammers out there asking you to contact them. I would never ask anyone for money or use a WhatsApp app or anything like that. So again, the comments will be coming strictly from me, hopefully. And I only am going to select one person. So if you see through the comment section, there's a whole lot of please contact me, that's definitely a scam. So definitely just look for my one comment. So, and I may put it in a pinned comment as well for that person as well. So this is a sneak peek inside the box this month. And Allure says that they know beauty best. Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years, and they've been around for a long time. They literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published, and they've been critically evaluating beauty products and their ingredients lists ever since. So for 30 years, it's in their DNA, they said. So let's take a look this month. These are generally deluxe sample sizes. You may get a full-size product in here. They usually give us the guide. And I did find out that the company that's normally on the back here is who is sponsoring the box. So Cetaphil, and there's probably a sample in here of some Cetaphil product. I did find out that they are, when they're on the back like this, they usually are the sponsor of the box. So that's good to know, right? Let's jump in to see what we got. And I see a full-size product. And this is from Alpha H, and this is the Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. And then that's that side of it. And you would use this as a toner. Wow, this is nice. This is a full-size product, 100 mils. Yep, full size. Retail value on this is $54. Not only is it working like a toner, but you can use it as an exfoliator and a moisturizer. Let's see what the packaging looks like. It's a plastic bottle, but still super cute. Okay. That's item number one. So the next product we have is from Eyeko London. And this is just the pencil sharpener for this double act shadow stick. Also from Eyeko. The retail value on this is $25. And you have a dusk and a dawn side. So those are the shades there. Okay. The next item we have here is from Briogeo, and this is the Scalp Revival. So it has charcoal and coconut oil, and it is a exfoliating shampoo. And this is going to be a deluxe sample. The full size would cost $42. Just massage this once a week into your scalp. The next item we have here is Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream. And this is going to be a sample size as well. So that's the box there. It comes with some instructions on how to use it. And it's just a cream. It does say a little bit goes a long way. One pump in the morning and another in the evening are enough to make the skin gleam. It is a major multitasker containing amino acids, vitamins, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. The full size of this, which is 50 mils, this is, how much is this? 0.2. So 50 mils of this amazing product is $280. I'm gonna use this, but I would never buy it for $280. So it's like a car payment. Anyway, she's fancy, so I'm gonna try it. That's that. The next item we have here is from Shani Darden. This is the Retinol Reform. And that's what that looks like. And you would just smooth this 1 or 2 pumps over your skin before you go to bed. So in the nighttime is when you use the retinol, and then you use the vitamin C in the morning. You definitely want to make certain you're using your SPF whenever you're using a retinol. So if you were to love this and get the full size, it would cost you $88. So the next item we have here is from Blink, and this is the Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. And it's just supposed to add volume to your lashes. It says that this is a jet black formula, and it's made with tubing technology. And if you haven't tried a tubing mascara, like myself, you're in for a treat. So it says tiny polymers wrap around each lash, more like a temporary extension than a mascara, for a flake and smudge-free finish with tons of volume. I'm going to try this. Okay. So the mascara was one of the Allure Award winners. So was the Retinol. And then the Briogeo. Those are all Allure award-winning products. So 3 of those in the box. That's great. And then, of course, we have from our sponsor, Cetaphil, a little tiny one. You could take this on travel with you. It is a gentle skin cleanser. So for dry to normal, and sensitive skin. So definitely take that on travel with you so you don't have a lot of fluid in your luggage. So nice. So let's recap all of the items we got this month from Allure. We have the Alpha H. This was a full-size product from Augustinus Bader, the very expensive moisturizer. From Ico, we have the eyeshadow and the sharpener. From Blink, we have the volumizing tubing mascara. from our sponsor, Cetaphil. From Shani Darden, the Retinol. And then from Briogeo, the Scalp Revival. Okay, so those are all the items in this month's Allure Beauty Box. So in this giveaway today, I am going to do these 3 items. I'm doing the Briogeo. I'm doing the Shani Darden, which has that little thing on there. It is award-winning. And then the Cetaphil. So, again, it is going to be a random giveaway, so watch the comments. You'll get a notification when I respond back to your comment advising you that you are the winner of these items. So, make certain you watch your comments. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you have not. Make your profile public so that you can win these giveaways. Again, these are for the people who are publicly subscribed to the channel. And if you like unboxing videos, check out these videos. And I'll see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching. I would like to thank Kelly O'Neill, Josephine Williams, and Emily D for being the first to respond on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for February and March. Thank you.